I am. Okay, today we're gonna, on Cool Math Games, learn, well, some secrets to mini scientists. This is pretty easy. Just click on the key, open the door. What? Open the door. Click on the scientist. Now the purpose of this game is to get the scientist guy here to the end. He wants to get back to his rocket ship. Now he wants to get some rocket ship fuel. So just click on him now. He goes up. There he is. He's up. Alright, for this one, you have to click on this button. It grabs this. You hit the trampoline. He jumps off that trampoline and he goes through. Okay, here is the part where you have to click on the battery because it will whack them out and you can just go through. Now as you can see, the game it seems pretty simple, but it isn't. It gets hard. You click on that, click on the scissors will cut here. Now it doesn't look like it's cut, but you have to hit it. Okay, now these you think are helping you get along, but no, these are the extra wood things for here. You have this one and this one, and then you click on him, and he's all set to go. My mom used to play this game. She cried. I don't know why my mom's playing it. Now you got fuel for your airplane, and you're off. Alright, you gotta shut his blinds, move a box, which will actually get you the key to unlock this, and you can open that, and his car can get through. Now, this guy here, he'll see you. You don't want to get in trouble. Well, he's asleep though. So you want to hit that. There's some fuel for the scientist's car. Click on him, and he's all set to go. Now this one I think is pretty personally tricky. You have to first. Oh. You have to click on these, and you have to figure it out. It's almost like a puzzle that you gotta figure out which way it's pointing to. So, you wanna go up now. This way now. And here's, and this way. Oh. And don't forget straight, because that will goof you up. Now he can go on his little conveyor belt, down, up, and this way, and fall into it. Hit this lever, hit that, because it was sliced. Now he can go through. Now you have a perfect way for this. Now you can open this, and little scientist guy can do his thing. Where's the thing scientists over here? I think they're so cool. This is a tricky one. It's almost like a puzzle. Oh, now he goes through. For this one, you have to click here, open this, turn these guys on, hit the, you have to hit this, open that, turn off the lasers, which you have to do this. Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you, my studious. I got a key. There would be another key in here, which will unlock you to get in here. Now you can get this. You can open this to get in this key, which will unlock this door. Open this, get the conveyor belt. Oops. And hit this. and you're all set to go. Okay, Scientist Guy is on his way. Now this is a little violent, I think, personally. It's kind of rude, which is what I think. I think this is kind of not the right thing to do if it was really happening. But here, we're gonna jump in his boat, steal his boat. Alright, we're gonna